please, mon compile information. We are about to go on air. So, yeah, we are set. Yeah, today we are going to talk about the most terrible award plaques you've ever seen.
And then you come up to appreciate the works of people trying to revive the industry, which is almost dead with this.
Award plaques are Edwin Wentase. And then this is going to cut across Africa, but precisely because they are Ghana, we're going to, calm down another majority of the plaques in Ghana. Oh yeah, Dr. Ewan. Or present a Plaques the TV host were TV3 and 3 FM Johnny Hughes or the Plaques or what to China man or the plaque what the man into honor stand for the number 10 position. Now number 9 position a bit awkward kakra because we see Africa Ikrobia our friend Cameroon. Na Cameroon na waya award bi o wa chere oye office award bi na waya obi obedwuma 77 onye bebre ire shit plenty na what the dam award wotum wokwema na the plaque itself looks crazy na obi so creativity ba mu do your fucking sense. Coming down to number 8, so yeah, oya Dr. Oko boy, yes. Also, Dr. Ewan Kafabakria, Kafa 7 plates, or the man there or a shield of bade Africa. Imgwase, Bia. Wako school aid be them. UN, Doctor, Okofa 7 chose spring who good, or the money. Only no Oteki, number 8 position. But then when we go to number 7 is Siwo, Ivory Coast, yes. Na oye girls group bia waye da ma wo si na awas na waye na oye mbesi alphabet awas no kwema wo kun being there benyina onom na yiri na enufu pa ona na what them award ye hwe owo screen do plug do what the man na amafu bebre bi sare badze pa na oba wa dream a waye da ma di wo Ivory Coast. Number 6 position here. Sports journalist, our friend Nathaniel Atto. And also Dr. Ewan Krian Okafa, Ponkwa Waton, China Mo, and Manford Sissy Woodim, or the award not bread the Ochim Bessia Futu Jina won't him, nor the 1 year photo shoot. And also by year, and him go assist your trendy, or Africa pa. Number 5 position here, no other person but Nyaran Kasa, Yezimupa, the chief scammer of Chef. Chef Smith nankasa bom modern Ghana oye Guinness Awards ope graphic designer nankasa so design and day na otume de beche Ghana for the award oye Guinness World Record what the man ni. Number 4 no oye style bi kakra. Number 4 no ye boys bi a wa Sierra Leone wa awards a woye na Kofi Kenata when you say malafaka, one finger in the rest atase. Ono ena so what the award plug what the man or ye obi asebi odi muasamo pa wo called sinimu. Inti dame plug take oye the number 4 position. Ya kwa number 3. Number 3 ni siwo oye anomabo wa Central Region. One what the award bia what the tab our friend Wawa was sending I was spring where you be microphone where you be da kuma. The time an artist be or friend Rip Joe no winning artist of the year. What did the tabu? What the man there award plaque? Mono so be in Komobe was Central Region. Into the plug in here one of the fucking plaques we've seen in the history of Ghana taking number 3 position. Number 2 position here Africa, yes. Ono so sebe oye edwumaku bia woye sebe manpower ena wo award wo best customers wenye bibia da wo kasa na plug or ti the sebe benyin ne dua ena what's the best customer of the year Otto Mampo we drew papa na da ma wo the record wo Burkina Faso na mumu farm on French intina da me news and want here no ma yet French and we were abreast with this information. Now we are going to number 1 position. Or you recently in Ghana, what budget I mean, and you mean title and you guys also to or Ghana Movie Awards. What could shame and what coffee or ye papaya what the abe now power die. There, what they award, what they are, the likes of Ramsey, no one, Jimmy Ike, and Jackie Apia, no man, Dina Suarez, Zion Felix, Blogo, King, and Numokre. Papaya, what I award that Sebi award and a opportunity to know about Wahola, one real award na Wobakesha, saying him. Sooner you be a when you jot to no man, Konom jot, make a jar to award and one. On them, do I papa inti Obasho. But information I may in the Zion Felix on them recent light of Kakaka Bakaswan award plug now buona pa chere or de papa in odu who no awarding where a live toffer and odu who. These are the top 10 terrible award plaques we have seen year and the review 2024-2025. Ya baba mazina there. The coming years, and so we'll bring you top 10 of other things that you need to know. But from DJ Parker Rich, you can subscribe to the channel we call Parker Rich Studios for more of such nice initiative and well investigated and more research stuffs like this. Mark one. Bye bye. Fucking things.